Jadzia? It likes you.
It's a butterfly.
Butterfly, are you, Jadzia? It likes the iced tea. Jadzia, do you like him? Look how gentle she's being.
Look, a bird.
Zoe, come see this. Look what landed on Jadzia.
Hey, Adam, get a picture.
I want one to land on me.
It was just by chance. Look how careful she has her arms up.
Don't touch it.
We don't touch the butterflies, we have to be gentle. It is, it has its proboscis. I was trying to get the iced tea she spilled. Jadzia spilled iced tea on herself and now it wants the iced tea. Look, guys, it's on her.
Yeah.
Don't
That was
blow.
such a
You're
smart
gonna hurt
thing.
the
Next time, all of
butterfly.
us spill iced tea. It really likes her.
Chloe, back, Chloe. Oh, no.
Oh, there was one on you for a minute there, and then you move. You have to stay still.
Except for Jadzia, she just has to spill iced tea on herself.
Iced tea works too. Oh, don't touch because we could make it that it can't fly.